Hey guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to do split screen on your browser, and I'm going to be doing this on a Chrome browser because obviously only available on Chrome browser. So this is a different tab and this is another tab. They are all in one place, and if you have any doubt about this, I can minimize. You can see it is not split view. So this is actually the split view on a browser, not split view on your device. Now to do that, I am going to open a different browser, which is this. Now to create a split view, right click on the top area or on the tab. You are going to see an option that says add tab to new split view. You click on that. Now I have 3 different pages active, so I can choose any one that I want. Let's say this. So I just split the screen on these two. So now I can browse this area, or I can decide to browse this area. And I can also type independently, right? Okay. Now I can also do more things on my split view. Now, if you notice this area, there are even more options. If you want to end your split view, you can click on that. But if not, you can right click, and you are going to notice it says pin that split view, and you can also click on it to see even more options. You can see I can close the left view, which is this, or I can close the right view, which is this one. And I can also reverse view if I do not want it to be in split view, or rather I can separate view. Now if you reverse the view, if you click on that, it's going to switch to the other side. You can see now the X is right here and TechCrunch is right here. If I click on that and reverse again, it's going to revert back. Now you can see, choose whichever one you want. And also you can also close the tab by clicking on this area. And apart from this area, you can also right click on top, and then you can see the split view. You can see even the same option like I just saw right on the below area. So whichever one you want, you can always do separate view, and it's going to separate them and it's going to stop. So this is actually how you do split view on your Chrome browser. This is only available on Chrome browser. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.